Hello, this is Douglas Robinson, and in this video I'm going to talk about our new idea management tool that we've been working on. Now right now this is still on a development stage, and it's something that we're just using internally, but it's something that I figured I'd go and record a video on because at least it's starting to get to the point where it's starting to look somewhat pretty. Uh, So we have a web page here that we've been working on for tracking ideas. And at this point, it's as simple as just having a very small database with maybe a title, a description, priority, an owner, and the ability for people to either prioritize things internally or vote on them if they're external from the development team or if they're external from the company. So the end goal of this, once it's actually live, is going to be, hey, you can have people submit ideas and potentially vote on them. And once the internal developers that are going to be working on those ideas have met, they can say, all right, well, we're going to accept this idea, this idea, this idea. We rank these at this internal priority. They can then also look at them and see, well, you know what? We have 10 ideas that are priority 5 to the business. All of these are more or less equal as far as how the business sees them monetarily or strategically. But we can see that the end users that are going to see these features or these projects, they view these at very different levels. And we can sort and say, okay, well, we're going to work on the items the business sees as most important first. So let's say priority 5s. But then we can see the community has voted one of these priority 5s much, much higher. Let's do that one first because then everyone's happy on all sides. So this is going to be something that we're going to use internally for our own development and feature tracking, but it's also something that we're planning on having as a feature or a product offering in the near future. And something that isn't built yet that will be coming in the near future is the ability to have this data get imported from a Sharewell system or potentially another system. So we'll have a settings page where you can mark off a table within Sharewell and have a feed of some business object coming in and populating the different ideas to where you can either prioritize them or vote on them or add notes and have that data feed back into Sharewell, but have the interface at least show up here where maybe someone doesn't have to be a user in Sharewell to see or to vote on things. They would just have to have access to this tool. So that's all for now. I just wanted to get something out here so that when I go and talk to people, I can actually shoot them a video. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And at some point in the future, I'll be ending my videos with, if you have any comments or suggestions, go to our idea management site.